model, 71 plate Peugeot Boxer 335 L3 2.2 HDI blue GLAT bed dropside needs engine repair. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 107,146. MOT, the 2nd of September 2025. Engine, 2179 cc DW12 Blue HDI 140 RDE2. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs with a rattle, and you will need replacing repairing. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 0 former keepers, air-con, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £8,175 plus VAT. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740